We've just come, you've just seen the dyno runs, how we went yesterday. We made 400 kilowatt, which is cool, but we've lost cylinder 2. So me and Ben are going to pull the engine out, see what's going on from we had the inspection camera down the plug hole, and by the looks of it, we've cracked the block and we've dropped the sleeve. So let's see how much damage there is. About 10 minutes in, and I don't know if you can see that, but that's a fair bit of water in the exhaust manifold. Good stuff, good stuff. Less than ideal. So that's what's come out of the sump. Muddy waters. We've got a very fucked piston, and our sleeve has dropped and cracked the bore. See just here. Head isn't too bad. A little bit of damage there. Hopefully surely that's savable. So we need a new block. Then we better look at the crack. It doesn't move the fucking motor around too much.
3587/4.
What's the go, Benny? Crank all good?
Crank's lovely.
I'm no engine builder, but she looks okay.
Yeah, obviously it's smashed a lot of the bottom of that number 2 skirt liner that's dropped. Go show them the oil squirter.
What oil squirt is gone? 1, 2. Oh fuck! That's a mess, mate. Sleeves dropped, broke all the sides of it off.
Look at the pieces in here. Pieces of sleeve. Whatever sleeve is in this.
It's now a jigsaw puzzle.
Piston's a bit of a mess. Sacrifice and pull all the parts out of this bad boy, and we're off to Hughes.
Gonna go see Hugh at Tom's Racing.
Yep.
Okay, so we are, for fuck's sakes, it's dyno day. And Sylvia's going back on the dyno. Last time we blew the engine up. Good times. Love that for us. Love that for me.
Yeah,
Ben fixed it all because I didn't want to fucking have a bar of it. Didn't want to touch the car. It really put me in a bad headspace.
what did we do?
Ben fixed it. We had to find a new block.
There we go. Yeah, new block.
We didn't bother sleeving it or anything this time. Fuck that shit. No gas rings. Just H&F just went hard and fast, and it's just
Glorious.
Yep, that'll do. We're taking out the only thing that's really been a bit shit house on this car. Oh, he's turned the fucking wheel. Was the old suspension Teen Super Drifts.
By old, still great product. Yeah, but
Yeah, they've just been
in
sitting around
Adrian's
for a long
fashion,
time.
put new shit in everything. So
So
called up.
got our MCAs.
Old Josh Q.
So we're gonna bang these puppies in now.
Beautiful.
A whole bunch of things in here in this
That'll be your
sexy little bag.
This is that.
Yeah.
It's gonna have like rubies and diamonds in there.
Keep my sex toys in here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's all sorts of shit. Oh god, I'm gonna drop that. Oh yeah, here they are.
That'll do. Oh, they're fucking awesome. Look at those. Sick.
More brackets.
Look at those.
Orny. So I guess you pick which. Oh no. Yeah, no, we usually need to use both of them. And hardware. New bolts. Not titanium, but that's all good.
Front right coil, look at that. Look at the quality. Camber adjustment in the lower shock mount. All set up. They've set it up to a ride height already, eh?
Yeah, which probably won't be low enough, but that's all good.
We're going to
Gotta
go
start somewhere.
and ruin all the shock body by lowering it via the shock body.
Mm-hmm.
Big no-no. let's get it in.
So there you go, it's done, she's tuned, we're happy. Probably could have pumped a bit more boost through it, but since we've had such a bad run with this damn car, we just thought fuck it, it's made plenty of power, it's a street car, I think we'll just leave it there. So I still haven't even got to take it for the bloody thing for a drive yet. It's booked in tomorrow for a wheel alignment, so then I'll chuck on the hoist, do a bit of a bolt check, make sure everything's hunky-dory. But yeah, she's done, boys. She is all done. Let me know what you think on that ride height. I might still fuck with it a little bit. But yeah, it's not bad, not bloody bad. If there's anything else you guys want to know on the Sylvia, leave in the comments, let us know, because we'll do another video. And also I'm just going to, I love these seats. These Recaros are definitely my favourite seat, but because of the style of seat, which it just has so much cushioning here, this one's got no rail on it at the moment, but because there's so much cushioning, once you bolt them in, luckily I'm short because your head almost touches the roof, so I'm taking the brides out of the Chaser and I'm going to put them in the Sylvia. I really do prefer the Recaros because there's such a comfy seat, but I think the brides will be a bit better because you won't be sitting so high. And then yeah, we'll see you on the next video, which is pretty exciting new build. See you soon.